Hi, as you know, I make solid shampoos and solid conditioners, which are fabulous. I have had a few inquiries from people who've never used them before and they're a little bit worried about how to use them. They can't get their heads around the idea that it's a bar of soap for your head. So what I thought is I would just show you how I use mine by washing my hair. I do have, obviously I am clothed, I'm going to be in the shower and you're only going to see the top of my head, so it's all good. So this is how I use my shampoo bars and conditioners. Wish me luck. So, I hope you can hear me. Literally, with your hair, shampoo bar or 4 gnarly little end bits, which is what I've got. I get all the drinks. Wet the bar, and then you literally just rub it on your hair. I mean, my hair's medium to long, and if you've got short hair, obviously this will be a lot quicker and a lot easier. Just rub it through. I just use it on my scalp. And then underneath, I use it on my back scalp, my back hair. That's that. And then just kind of wet your hands and just give it a mix. Now, if you're using this with kids, I mean, it's brilliant for their hair. But obviously, it's not no more tears. So if they get it in their eye, it will stink because it is soap. So warn them to keep their eyes shut. But if you use it from when they're really tiny, they'll soon learn to keep their eyes shut. Now you can see this lather is lovely. I didn't use a lot, and I just put it, as I say, on my scalp, and then I let the product sort of go through to the ends of my hair. You don't need to lather every bit of your hair. So that's that. Give it a quick rinse. Done, it's rinsed, it's gone. That's much better than sulphate filled shampoos that you just seem to be washing stuff out forever, because they're in your hair and they're constantly stripping your hair of essential moisture. This doesn't. Now my hair feels thick and heavy, and that is because I've not used stuff with sulphates in it, so it's not stripped my hair and made it all sort of thin and shiny and very like, oh, it's, you know, it's really, you can stroke your fingers through it. It's because there's nothing left of it. It's just taking all the moisture away, and neither has it got silicones in it, which has coated your hair, which make it feel silky and lovely. Hair is actually quite rough. If you've ever swum in the sea and got that kind of heavy sort of hair feeling, that's your actual hair. That's what it's like, and that's what it should be. Now I'm using the orange fragrance cocoa and shea butter conditioner, and again I don't use this on my scalp. I don't need to. I've got quite oily hair. I just use it on the lengths of my hair and just pay a little bit of attention to the ends. That's it. You don't need a lot of that. This will probably outlast a shampoo bar 3 to 1. They last for absolutely blooming ages. And then I just work it through a little bit, comb it through with my fingers, and then rinse out. So it's really quick, it's really efficient. watching. Bit weird, I know, but people ask me how I use it, so I thought I'd show you. Take care, bye.